Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to cover IELTS, speaking phrases which will help you sound confident, fluent, and ready to impress the examiner. Whether you're tackling part 1, 2, or 3 of the speaking test, these phrases will give you the edge to structure your answers, express ideas clearly, and handle any tricky question with ease. I would like to thank you everyone who is watching my videos, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss out any valuable video which I am going to release soon. Before we are going to learn any phrases, I would prefer to give you some tips about IELTS speaking part. The phrases that you are going to learn today will definitely help you to boost the marks in the exam. But you must need to understand where to use right phrases, and also the phrases you must need to practice and use it. Otherwise, it will not show to the examiner that you are not speaking naturally. Let's move to the first part of the video. In the exam, you're getting different types of questions. So you need to have quite good understanding about the question types and the phrases that you can use according to the questions. If you get any question which is asking whether you like it or not like it, you can use few phrases, which I am going to teach you now. First, we will look at few different questions. Then I will teach you how you can use the phrases for those answers. Do you like sport? Do you like YouTube? Do you like tea? Do you like black color? When we are looking at these questions, it's very easy to answer. Most of the time, students are using very simple answers like, yes, I do like, yes, I do love it. But it will not give the high marks. Let's see what is the phrases that you can use to get high marks in speaking test. Yes. I cannot get enough of it. Again, we will say answer together. Yes. I cannot get enough of it. This means you like it much, but you cannot get it more. And if the question is plural, you should answer like this. Yes. I cannot get enough of them. Let's move to the next phrases. The next question type can be things you are good at or not good at. The examiner can ask followings. Do you play piano? Do you cook? Do you good at playing cricket? Do you good at cooking? Do you good at playing piano? If you get any question like this, you can use yes. I have a knack for it. Which mean you have special skill for it to do that thing. Few examples as follows. Yes. As an example, have a knack for cooking. Yes. I have a knack for playing piano. Yes. I have a knack for reading books. If it is a negative side, or you are not good at the thing that the examiner asking, you can use these phrases to impress the examiner. And the examiner can ask the same questions, but the phrases is different. No. I'm hopeless at it. Which means you are not good at it. Now let's see a few examples. No, I am hopeless at cooking. No, I am hopeless at public speaking. No, I am hopeless at fixing electronics. I always end up making it worse. I hope you are taking notes. Please do so because these things will help your entire life. Now let's see the one more phrases. The phrases is, I'm not a big fan of. This phrase is also you can use in the exam to impress the examiner. Now let's see how you can use this new phrases according to the IELTS speaking questions. Do you like cricket? Do you like art? Let's see how we can say the answer. I'm not a big fan of cricket. I am not a big fan of art. Please remember that you can always extend these answers by using your ideas. Extended answers by using above phrases. I am not a big fan of cricket. Because I've never found it very exciting to watch. I prefer sports that are faster paced and have constant action. While many people enjoy cricket, I personally don't have much interest in following the matches or teams. I would rather spend my time on activities that I find more engaging and entertaining. Let's move to the next set of phrases. If you get questions that you need to expressing your opinion, there are a few good phrases that you can use to give the answers in speaking test. First, I would like to point out the phrases quit, frankly. I must admit. To tell the truth. Honestly speaking. If I'm being honest. Okay, as you know phrases now, let's see how we can use these phrases. The questions and answers as follows. Do you enjoy watching sports? Quite frankly, I'm not a big fan of sports. I prefer other activities like reading or listening to music. Do you like to watch movies in your free time? I must admit, I'm not really into movies. I'd rather spend my free time doing something productive. Do you think technology makes life easier? To be honest, technology has made life more convenient, but it has also made people less active in real-life interactions. I would like to remind you all, please take notes and practice later and master it. In the IELTS speaking, the examiner can ask any type of question. Therefore, I would like to discuss agree and disagree questions and phrases that you can use to give the answers for those questions. First, we will see what are the phrases that you can use. Exactly what? I could not agree more. That is so true. I have no doubt about it. As we all know the phrases that we can use. Let's see the questions and answers. Do you think exercise is important for a healthy lifestyle? Exactly. Regular exercise is essential for staying fit and maintaining good mental health. Do you believe reading books is better than watching TV? I could not agree more. Reading books improves knowledge and imagination, while TV can sometimes be distracting. Do you think learning English is important for international opportunities? That is so true. English is a global language, and knowing it opens up many career and travel opportunities. Do you think smartphones have changed the way people communicate? Exactly. People now rely on instant messaging and social media instead of face-to-face conversations. Do you agree that online shopping is more convenient than traditional shopping? I could not agree more. It saves time, offers more variety, and allows people to shop from anywhere. I hope you have learned many phrases by watching this video. Before ending this video, I would like to point out how important phrases are. Using phrases effectively is important for achieving a high score in the IELTS speaking test. They help improve fluency, coherence, and natural communication. When candidates use a variety of phrases, they sound more confident and expressive, making their responses more engaging. These phrases also help in structuring answers and expressing opinions clearly. The IELTS examiner looks for a wide range of vocabulary and the ability to speak naturally without hesitation. Using appropriate phrases shows strong language skills and can help improve overall performance in the test. And finally, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you in your IELTS preparation. Keep practicing, stay confident, and you'll achieve your goals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.